What's up, dudes, and today I'm unboxing a Random Booster Volume 10 Bay. If you've seen the title, you probably know what it is already. So, box, I'm just going to go over it. It shows all the bays. And showing the combos for the bays. Back is showing prize bay. Not showing the driver or anything, which is odd. Some more combos. So now I'm going to open it, and I know what it should be, but it's not that big. Then I kind of got. Okay. Yep. I got it. Wow. It looks like really cool. It's got like a lot of metal, and then on the wings, stamina wings, obviously the teeth are like really bad. Yeah, those are like some really bad teeth. Next one, I guess I'll do the frame next, just because I've never seen this frame. I don't know, because it has really something on yet. And I think it looks really cool. Here we go. Reach. There's like so many blades on it. Can you switch the modes? No, you can't. Next is Wedge. So Wedge is the stamina type driver. It's got some metal on it. It's not very good, but yeah, I guess it looks kind of cool. So it's like a metal sharp kind of from MFP, if anyone remembers that. Mine looks kind of dull. The last part here is the disc. It's 11. Yeah. This is my first 11. Wow, it looks like interesting. Kind of like 2 maybe, but a worse version. It feels lighter than 2. Frames on there are pretty loose. Yeah. The teeth are gonna be really bad. I'm just ready. Okay. Honestly, they're not. At least mine don't really feel that terrible. I know some people's like are super bad, but it's not really that bad. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the stickers on them, and then I'll show the bay with the stickers. Okay, so here's the bay with stickers. So the stickers are right here and right here. I think they're not really necessary, but they do add a little bit of flavor to the bay. I do like the ones here that kind of fit in. One of them I didn't do so good, so the second one I did. So yeah, obviously teeth are really bad. So here's like sideways view, I guess. And I am going to do a few test launch and test battles with the bay. Here's just a test launch of the bay. 3, 2, 1, go! So mine seems to have like decent balance. It's not the worst balance, so that's really good. Let me just see if hitting it stabilizes it. So yeah, mine has like really good balance. So definitely gonna seems to be a pretty good layer. I got a pretty good mold because the teeth don't seem too bad yet. Awesome. Now I'm gonna do some test battles. should you buy this bay? That's honestly like, that's debatable because you are, when you're buying this random booster, you're getting, there's a lot of good parts in here, but the prize bay is what you want obviously for the layer, but it's just pretty much just the layer. So it does cost like around, I paid like $30 for this just for one bay, and that's a lot. And you could buy the chozetsu customized set that comes with the layer, but I'm unsure if the layer is like going to be exactly the same, or maybe a worse tier or something. But I personally would just like, if you don't want to collect like all the anime accurate bays, wait for the chozetsu customized set, get the layer, because that's really the only good thing about the prize bay. So that's my review of Crash Ragnarok. If there's any battles you want me to do, tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching.